In this video, I'll be showing you how to add Solana Network into your MetaMask wallet. So the first step that you have to do is to click this three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then click the snaps. Here we have to find the Solana snaps. So as you can see, it is empty. So just click the discover snaps. And then here you will see the most popular snaps that you can connect your wallet to. For example, is the Solana wallet. So we will be connecting our Solana wallet to the MetaMask wallet, or add the Solana to our MetaMask wallet. So click this and then click the add to MetaMask. Next is to scroll down and then click the accept button and then click the connect. Click the confirm button and check this install Solana wallet and click the confirm button again. And as you can see, the installation has been completed, and then we have to access this generated link since we want to set up our Solana wallet. So click the get started and then click the continue button. Then connect to MetaMask. As you can see, the Solana or Solve layer is now connecting to our MetaMask. So just click the connect here. And then as you can see, it is now setting up our wallet. Then click the continue button and enter the Solana. As you can see, when you head back to our MetaMask, the Solana wallet is now added into our snaps. So that's how you can connect or how you can add Solana to your MetaMask, and thank you for listening.